Hello guys! Welcome back to my home cooking channel, Almita's Kitchen. I'm gonna introduce you beef liver and bell pepper recipe. Our ingredients for today is beef liver, bell peppers, onion, and garlic. This is a beef seasoning powder, ground black pepper. We have our soy sauce here. We have our ginger powder and sesame oil. Okay guys. Okay, I have two spatula right now. Which should I use? Because we have red frying pan. I'm wearing sort of like I think maroon or red. They're the same. I guess I get the blue one. Gamito na to ang blue. Blue. Okay. First thing first, mantika, oil. Don't be afraid to put a little more. Cooking oil doesn't kill you. Not eating will kill you. Okay? We will add our garlic. Okay, minced garlic. Minced garlic. Minced garlic. Rub them in and stir it. Stir. Just a couple of seconds. Now we have to add our liver. Stir it. Just a little bit of your heat. Mix it with the garlic. And then we will season it a little bit. This is beef powder seasoning, guys. Instead of using like, bouillon cubes, this one is powder. Black pepper, just a little bit more now. Stir it, and then after that you wanna tenderize the beef, because the beef is a little bit tough, kind of not rubbery, but it's tough. You want to eat them, tender. So we will cover it for a couple minutes to 3 minutes, and then we'll check and make sure you adjust your heat to medium low, because you wanna slow cook the liver. Okay, I am going to slice the onion and the peppers. Okay, this will take a little while, right guys? So you just slice your onion just like that. This is one yellow onion, guys. They're running away. They are running away. Put it right there. And then our bell peppers. Hello, who's calling? We're doing the show. So you slice the bell pepper like this. I think some people also prepare to cook it as like, you know, grilling it like you're cooking your steak. Yeah, but I want my meat well done. All right, so once done. And now let's try our beef liver. See guys, so this is what it's gonna look like. It produces the juice from the beef. That way helps to tenderize the meat. So we will cover it back again, adjust the heat to medium high for another 3 minutes. So we'll wait while the beef liver is tenderizing, simmering. Okay, let's check it. All right, whoa, it's coming along. So this is, here you call it stir fry. In my dialect, Filipino will actually call this gisado. So gisado is stir fry, you know. Adobao is like adobo with sauce, you know. There's also adobo, like dry adobo without sauce. This one is gisadong atay ng baka. Okay, I'm gonna have to try how tender the liver is. Okay guys, oh, perfect. You can actually eat it just like that. Now the liver is tender to me, so we are going to add our onion, and then our green bell. Whoa, look at the color. And we will add the red ones. There you go. And then we will season some more. This is a beef seasoning powder. More of brown black pepper. We put a little bit of ginger powder. All right, and then we will cover it back and we'll simmer it. We'll see 3 minutes, because the bell peppers doesn't take that long to cook, and again, you don't want to overcook it also, you know. Okay guys, let's check our food. Yum. It smells really good. It smells so good. Look at this. These. Yummy. Okay, still need couple more minutes because the bell pepper is still not quite done. Let's cover it. Just a couple minutes, guys. Okay, final destination. Ta-da! Perfect. Yes, 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 yes. There. Our recipe is looking good. It smells so good too, guys. All right, so our final touch is we have this seasoning soy sauce, Maggi, guys. You can buy this in any local grocery stores, I guess. If not, then you go to Asian store. So you sprinkle just a little bit or a lot, and then sesame oil. There you go, guys. This is it. Oh my god, it smells so good. You smell that, guys? You can smell it? It smells so yummy. It's making me hungry. Now here's our finished product. Alright, guys, here's our finished product. If you want to be adventurous, try my beef liver recipe. It's delicious. If you like these recipes, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and share. Take care, guys. Bye.